There's Tito Arnel. Happy birthday. Okay. Si Papa, oh.
Meron bang audio yan?
Oh, may video, audio. Meron. There is. Tapos ina-upload ko siya. Ayan ang restaurant nila Arnel. Wat Chan. So dito tayo.
Tito Arnel. Tumatawag si Tito Arnel.
Patay mo. Huwag mo sagutin.
Ba't medyo pa rin tatawid na lang.
Yan ang restaurant nila Arnel. Wat Chan.
Tito Arnel.
So ayan ang kotse ni Papa. Kotse ni Tito Arnel. Dito tayo. Okay. Ayan, oh. Tito Arnel, nandun sa loob, birthday. Ito, restaurant nila. Oh. Look at the food. Food. Ah, food. Okay, when in Tarlac, visit this restaurant, okay? Wat Chan, there's the phone number. It's a Chinese restaurant. Food is good, price are cheap. Thank you.
Ayun, Tarlac.